it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today we are in my very messy and unorganized wreath room, but that is going to change very soon, as you'll see in this video, because we are going to give it a makeover. I'm so excited. It is very full. And to make a better use of space, we're going to be doing a shiplap kind of style. You'll see throughout the video, but basically we want to make it so I can attach baskets and containers. For now, I'm just going to give you a little tour of the room, show you what I need to do, and then we will get started. Okay, let's go. I am so embarrassed to show you, but this is what my wreath room looks like right now. It is an absolute disaster. I have so many leftovers from things that are just thrown in boxes, and I will get to them later. And then there's my overflowing trash. And then new supplies here, lots of greenery. This is a large shelf I have on one side of my wreath room. It is fantastic. It has helped organize this room a lot, but instead of having all the florals here, I want to have out of season boxes or things like that. I have some grapevine wreaths in boxes over here, which I might just keep them there because that's pretty good use of space. But all these florals I'm hoping to put on the wall. Lots of florals and greenery. It's just so unorganized and messy. I like that I can see everything, but it just looks so bad. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of all the trash and stuff like that, because I just need to get it out of the space, right? The less I have to deal with, the better. I'm going to condense a lot of my greenery, then I will be emptying out the room. So I want to have the room emptied so that we have a nice clean slate to work with while we work on the wall. Woo! All right, let's get going. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now. I've brought in all my stuff back in to the wreath room, and they're in little canisters and things like that. So they're all ready to hang on the wall. They're just organized kind of like with like. It looks like I don't have much room in my wreath room, but I will very soon. So I'm going to start hanging things on the wall. Okay, the wall is ready, and I'm going to start hanging things on the wall and use up more of this vertical space. I'm really excited. This is going to be so awesome. So I think I'm just going to start from the bottom and work my way up and see how it goes. And the nice thing about this wall is I can adjust things and move them around so they fit. I don't expect to be able to fit all of my florals on this wall, but I do expect to fit the majority of them, and it's going to free up so much space in my wreath room. And then after this wall is full, I will show you what I do with the rest of my stuff. All right, let's get going. I'm taking this S hook, and I showed you how I connect it to the wall, And then I'm just connecting it like this, and it will just hang right there. And I'm even connecting the ones on the bottom, and you might be thinking, why don't you just set them on the floor? Well, these are very top heavy and they always fall over, so this will keep them secured to the wall so they don't fall over. From bringing the chair up. Obviously the stuff up higher is harder to get to, so I'm going to put things that it's really easy to tell what's in there, and also that I don't use quite as often toward the top. And I'm probably going to get a step stool, invest in a step stool just to keep in here. But it's looking good so far, right? But I only have like 3 containers left that I was planning on putting up there, which is really not room anyway, so I'm pretty happy I got most of it up there. Awesome. There is so much more room in here, you guys. I mean, I knew it would make a good difference, but I didn't know it would make this much of a difference. Holy cow. Okay, here it is. Oh man. Look at this. Look, I've got some fall stuff going in here. Oh, you guys, I am so happy with how this looks. It looks amazing. Oh wow, and it'll be really easy to switch out the seasons with this. And then see, there's a lot of spring stuff and things like that, but down here I've got all my staples. Oh yes. And then on this side I have my garland wall, or garland door I should say, and it's a little low right now. I normally have this thing packed and you can't even see the door, but this is where I hang my eucalyptus garlands and other garlands like that. And then next to my big shelf I have a lot of my berries, seasonal berries and different kinds like that. And I love this because I can see through, and there's my winter berries. I've got some fall ones and pine cones, blue, and then all the berries that I was showing you, they come with these leaves, and I have all the leaves here. There's some spring ones and more fall ones. And then hot glue and things like that, more berries, just more random storage right there. It's a good use of space, I think. And then here is the giant shelf. Got it from Costco. And I'll see if Amazon has one, and I will link it below. And I keep my different size grapevines on the bottom. Here are my 14-inch, 20-inch, and 18-inch grapevines right there. And then my smaller sizes here. And then, like I was showing you, my miscellaneous things that I will go through and make one-of-a-kind wreaths. And then some of my bulk materials, and then lamb's ear leftovers, and then lots of orange berries, some other materials that came in bulk, and some leftovers. And then over here, both of these bins, I wish they were clear, but these are awesome bins. I have packed full of Christmas things, and then on top, whatever I couldn't fit on the wall. That's it. That's all I couldn't fit on the wall. So those are right there. Tucked away in that little corner are boxes of grapevines that I've received in the mail, because I order them online because it's way easier than picking them out in store, because that would take too long. And then up there I have more Christmas things, lots of Christmas, some grapevine garland, some more bulk items, those are spring bulk, some more grapevines, and then I have a giant tub full of magnolia leaves. And there is a look at the whole room. Doesn't it look so much better? I can't even believe it. It looks so good. Whew, I love it. And then there, of course, is my table where I will be doing a lot of my wreath making. And, well, yeah, most of my wreath making. And hopefully you'll see some videos from there soon, too, from this perspective. You guys, I am so excited with how this turned out. This has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to do it for a really long time, and it feels so good to have it done. I just want to come in here and just stare at the wall. It looks so pretty. I love it. I'm feeling really inspired now. I just want to make all the wreaths, right? And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And let me know what you think of this makeover. Are you as excited as I am? This was so much fun. Well, it wasn't fun doing all the work, but it was fun with the result, right? All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.